if you are looking for a way to make money online, if you need to bring in additional streams of income because whatever you're doing right now just is not working, you're thinking you're going to have to work for the rest of your life, I am here to tell you that that just isn't true. I am at a digital growth mastermind right now, bringing my business to a whole nother level. I'm going to introduce you to some friends. So my first friend is my friend Renee, who I've known for 40 plus years, and she's right here. She wants to talk to you a little bit about digital marketing.
Hi guys, the entrepreneur life is the life because what has happened to me, I had a job in corporate for 40 plus years, and then the company I worked for got sold. There's no such thing as job security, don't be fooled. I never thought I'd be out looking for a job at 56 years old. And this is how I got into this amazing business that changed my life. And now, instead of sitting at my desk at a job, just dreaming about the freedom lifestyle that I always wanted, I'm living it. And you guys, here's the best part. You can too, because I'm just a normal mom, I'm just a normal wife, just like Stacey. In fact, we went to sleepaway camp together, and now we're living the life of freedom, and you can too.
So this is Michelle O'Neill, the founder of this amazing organization. And Michelle, what is your mission? Can you just give us a little
My mission is to set 1,000 families free by helping them become a self-made millionaire. Because once you learn the skills and the strategies and the time, how to get your life back and your time back to become a self-made millionaire, you're free for life. You can leave that legacy.
Yes, thank you so much.
Thank you for being here.
Yes. Okay, this is my friend Marianne, and she is a six-figure earner in this business. Can you just tell us what made you start and how has this been for you? How has it changed your life?
This has been absolutely amazing. So back in May of 2023, I was broke as a joke paying $50,000 for the credit card debt. And I knew for a fact that I was never going to get a job to even pay that credit card debt off. I just built my business month over month, and within 5 months, I had $50,000 worth of credit card debt.
Amazing. So awesome. Thank you so much. And enjoy the rest of your trip here. It's been amazing so far.
Yes, it's amazing.
It is. This is my friend Elisa. She's here at the mastermind with us, with everybody. And Elisa, I want to ask you, what is it about digital marketing and this particular program that made you say, I've got to do this?
So, digital marketing, I absolutely love because I like to travel and I needed something that was online that allowed me the freedom that I want in my life to do what I want, when I want, and where I want. And this program, the creator, founder, I don't know, what do we call her? She's amazing.
The multimillionaire?
The
that
multimillionaire?
one?
Yeah. She literally has a heart like I've never seen. It is beyond gold and so caring and so giving and pours every ounce of her heart into the community, and without that community we would not be what we are. So that in itself was the number one thing that was so important to me, to be in business for yourself but not by yourself. And that's not just the cliche, it's the truth.
It is. It absolutely is. Thank you, Elisa. Appreciate you.